Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of home sleep studies. Have you ever wondered what happens to your breathing patterns when you hit the hay and drift off into dreamland? Well, wonder no more, because we're about to uncover the secrets of your slumber right here. First things first, let's talk about what a home sleep study actually is. Unlike traditional sleep studies conducted in a lab where you have to spend the night hooked up to a bunch of wires and monitors, a home sleep study allows you to stay in the comfort of your own bed. So how does it work? Well, you'll be provided with a small device that measures things like your breathing patterns, heart rate, and oxygen levels while you sleep. This device is worn on your wrist, making it much less intrusive than the equipment used in a lab study. Simply download the WatchPAT ONE app and connect your device. Once you're all set up, it's time to hit the sack. Simply go to bed as you normally would, and the next morning, the app sends your sleep data to a doctor who will analyze the data and provide you with a sleep report, which gives valuable insights into your sleep habits and, if needed, a prescription for treatment. So why might you need a home sleep study? Well, if you're experiencing symptoms like snoring, daytime fatigue, or difficulty concentrating, it could be a sign of a sleep disorder such as sleep apnea. A home sleep study can help diagnose these issues and guide you towards the appropriate treatment. For example, if sleep apnea is detected, your healthcare provider may recommend using a CPAP machine while you sleep. This device delivers a continuous stream of air to keep your airways open, allowing for uninterrupted breathing throughout the night. And there you have it. Home sleep studies are a convenient and effective way to gain valuable insights into your sleep patterns and overall health. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be well, friends.